Have you ever felt that no matter how much you draw, your work always looks like someone else's? Like it's missing that unique touch that makes people look and say, "Oh, that's definitely yours." Don't worry, I've been there too. And today, I want to share with you 5 practical, easy tips to find, and more importantly, unlock your unique artistic style. A style that will really make your work stand out. Let me tell you right away, you already have a unique style within you. All you need is to unlock it and let it flow onto the paper or screen. These 5 tips will help you explore what's already there, but in a more conscious, natural way. And the best part? Anyone can apply these tips, regardless of skill level. By the way, if you're tired of drawing and feeling like nothing is improving, pay attention. Marc Brunet's art school for digital artists was what pulled my drawings out of stagnation and gave me an insane boost. It's like going through an art school, but for a fraction of the price and only with what really matters: perspective, anatomy, color, composition, and much more, all explained step by step, from beginner to advanced. It is, by far, the best and most complete art course on the market. Don't waste time stuck at the same level. The link's in the description. Check it out now. Let's get back to the video. Explore different influences. The first tip is like a recipe for a great dish. You need the right ingredients. And when it comes to style, those ingredients are your influences. Think about all the artists you admire, whether they're classic or contemporary. Who are they? What elements of their work catch your eye the most? Here's the trick. Don't limit yourself to one style or genre. If you like digital illustration, why not take a look at traditional art? Love manga? Check out European comics or Impressionist paintings. Mix these references like you're making a smoothie. The goal is to find new ways of thinking and seeing art, which will add to what you already enjoy and know. When you do this, you'll start to see that your style doesn't have to be a copy of just one thing. It can be a unique blend of everything you love. And that's how you'll start to create something that only you can make. Think of it as a collage of inspirations that gradually takes on your own identity. Practice with intention. It's not enough to just draw non-stop and expect style to appear out of nowhere. Practice is essential, yes, but it's important to practice with intention. Every time you draw, think about what you want to improve, which elements you want to try out. Maybe a new line style, a different shading technique, or even a new type of perspective. One good exercise is to challenge yourself to draw the same subject in different styles. Take a character or a simple scene and try recreating it with finer lines, then something more geometric, then with more details, and so on. This will help you notice which aspects you enjoy the most and which feel most natural to you. As you experiment, make mental notes. I like smoother lines. I prefer more saturated colors. My compositions look better with fewer elements. These observations will gradually shape your style, like a puzzle coming together. Bring your personality into your art. One of the best ways to unlock a unique style is to bring who you are into your drawings. It sounds obvious, but many people don't do it because they're so focused on trying to recreate something they saw that they forget to put in what they feel, think, and experience. Ask yourself, what themes resonate with you? What stories would you like to tell through your art? Your art can be a way of expressing your passions, fears, dreams, and even quirks. This is what will give it a unique touch, because no one has lived exactly the same experiences as you. For example, if you love nature, how can you bring that into your art? Maybe through landscapes, imaginary creatures inspired by plants, or even colors that evoke natural environments. And if you're all about pop culture, use it as inspiration. Create characters that mix elements of what you love. The more you put yourself into what you create, the more authentic your style becomes. It's as if each piece is a little bit of you out in the world. Don't fear mistakes. Now, let's talk about a fear every artist has: the fear of making mistakes. I know it's hard to accept, but mistakes are your best friends on this journey. You know, that line that didn't come out as you wanted, or that idea that didn't look so great on paper? Those are the moments that teach you the most about what works for you and what doesn't. Sometimes, we get so obsessed with creating something perfect that we forget the creative process is messy. And that's okay. Allow yourself to experiment without the pressure to get it right every time. Try crazy things, make random sketches, and see what comes up. Often it's in this process of freedom that your style starts to emerge more naturally. And if you feel something came out badly, ask yourself, what can I learn from this? Maybe that distorted shape inspires you to try a new perspective. Maybe the wrong color mix leads you to an unexpected palette. The important thing is to embrace mistakes as part of your artistic growth. Be patient with the process. And last but not least, be patient. Finding your style is a journey, not a destination. It's an ongoing process that evolves as you grow as a person and as an artist. And that's a good thing because it means you're always transforming. Often we want things to happen fast, but the truth is that the beauty of a personal style lies in how it reflects your journey. Every drawing, every study, every failed attempt is part of that construction. Gradually, you'll notice that even if you haven't yet arrived exactly where you wanted, you're much closer to a style that represents you. So, take a deep breath, keep practicing, and don't worry too much about labeling what you're doing. Draw for the love of the process, enjoy experimenting, and remember that the most important thing is that your art makes sense to you. If this video helped you, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss the next ones. Thanks a lot for watching, and don't forget to check the description. There are several important links that can help you even more. See you in the next video.